Hello and welcome all. I, Professor Ashish Apte, Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS IOIT Pune. Today's topic is projection of lines. So this is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, front view is on the VP vertical plane and top view is on the horizontal plane. So we can say front view above the XY line, this is suppose XY line, and top view below the XY line. In case of third angle method of projection, top view on HP and front view on VP. So we can say if I'm turn this plane in 90-degree in clockwise direction, so top view above the XY line and front view below the XY line. As per the STPU, we have to use first angle method of projection. These are the symbols of first angle method of projection and third angle method of projection. We are using first angle method of projection, front view and top view. This is the symbol. So we can see front view above the XY line and top view below the XY line. Now projection of lines means its length, position of its end with HP and VP, its inclinations with HP and VP will be given. So simple cases of the line, a vertical line, a line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, first case. Second, a parallel line parallel to both HP and VP. Third, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Fourth, line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. And fifth, a line inclined to both HP and VP. First case, line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now pictorial representation, this is VP and HP. Now these are the XY axis. Now line is perpendicular to HP from this, okay, this perpendicular, and it's parallel to VP. We know that this line AB is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is the first case. Front view, we're getting on vertical plane here, straight line, actual length of a line, and in top view, just one point, this AB here. Okay, this is the top view, and this is the front view of a line AB. A line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now, second case, a line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. Pictorial presentation. Now, this is the vertical plane, horizontal plane. This line is parallel to the HP and parallel to VP. We can say this line is parallel to horizontal plane, also parallel to the vertical plane. So this is front view. Suppose we are here, exactly observer is here, and then front view of AB line, we're getting on VP vertical plane. Okay, straight line. Now this is the front view, and in top view, A dash, B dash, A and B, top. So this is the top view. Okay, if the line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. Now this is the orthographic pattern. So front view of first case and top view, and in second, we get two lines. Okay, means this A B top view and A dash B dash front view. Now third case, a line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Line inclined to HP. So line having some inclination with horizontal plane and parallel to VP this case. Now front view, we're getting here this on front view on vertical plane VP and top view. Okay, straight line here. on straight line in here. Okay, this is the true length. Okay, AB, A dash, B dash is a true length. Okay, then this is front and top. Orthographic view, you can see vertical plane here, the actual length of line AB and this AB top view. Now fourth, line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. This line is having inclination with vertical plane and parallel to like this AB. Now here, this is the top view, actual length of a line. Now front view, this one on VP, A dash and B dash. Okay. So now here we can measure the actual length in a top view. AB. So like this is here. This is the front view and this is the top view. If the line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Now fifth, a line inclined to both HP and VP. Its pictorial presentation is this is the line inclined with both here HP and here VP. So now here this is the front view on VP vertical plane and top view here having some inclination. Okay, now in the top view you can see this top view having here inclinations. Okay, so with horizontal plane with vertical plane. Okay, so this line is inclined to both HP and VP. And this is the front view, this is the top view. Actually you can see now here front view and top view of a line. If line is inclined to both the plane HP and VP. This is the orthographic projection. Front view is seen on VP vertical plane and top view in HP. Okay, is rotate 90-degree downward. We know that this we have to rotate 90-degree in a clockwise direction. So this top view is below the XY line. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.